Since we began in 1970, OM's ship ministry has operated 4 different ships, welcomed over 45 million people on board, distributed over 70 million portions of scripture, made 1,500 visits to 500 cities and 150 countries, trained more than 10,000 people for future life and service, partnered with over 60,000 churches, hosted more than 6 million people for onboard events, greeted 250,000 children visiting the ship each year, distributed over 40 million books, worked with more than 40,000 local port volunteers, and seen millions encounter Him. Find out more at omships.org.